Hello, in this video I will show you how to reset Calibrate a Citizen EcoDrive radio controlled module H800. The first step is to pull the crown to position 2 and press and hold both buttons for 4 seconds. Wait for the hands to stop moving. Turn the crown clockwise and anti-clockwise to face the hand of the small bottom subdial to 00. Press the upper right button one time. Now turn the crown to show in the date window between 31st and the 1st of the month. At the same time, the chronograph minute hands should face 60. As you can see right now, the date is between 31st and 1st. And the chronograph minute hand on 60. Press the upper right button one time and now turn the crown to show the time of midnight on the watch. So both the hour and minute hand should face the 12 mark and the small left subdial to 24. Press the upper right button one time and now turn the crown to face the second hand to 60 or vertically upwards. Push back the crown to the 0 positions to finish the reset settings. Here is how you can set the time and date on this watch. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.